Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, may sakit po ang inyong lingkod. Pupunta po tayo ng MedExpress. We will document kung magkano magkasakit sa Amerika. Sorry about that. I've been sick for 3 days now. This is the 3rd day. And I took Dayquil and Nightquil, but seems like it didn't work, so we'll go to MedExpress. Also po dito ang flu. Hopefully mild lang itong sa akin. It's my first time na magkasakit dito sa Amerika na ganito. I was sick before, like, just have cough and, just mild. Pag, nasobrahan sa trabaho, ganun, walang pahinga, yun lang ang nararanasan ko dito. But this time, parang worse. Kasi nung last week, iba yung nararamdaman ko. For 2 minutes, I experienced na parang naging paralyzed ako. And that's it. 2 minutes. And I don't understand what is it. So, and then this Monday, I was fine until Tuesday. I had sniffles. I always get sniffles because the change of the weather. Allergic ako sa yung smell ng mga flowers, lalo na yung dogwood, lilacs, ganun. Strong yung smell nila. So ayun, nagka-sniffles ako, pero dito lang dito lang sa right nose ko, hanggang sa pag-uwi ko galing sa trabaho, weak ako, parang nilalagnat, ganun, tapos congested, ayun. So kinabukasan hindi ako nag-work, Wednesday hanggang Thursday hanggang today. So I miss a lot of work, and that means wala akong pera. So si asawa, sabi niya it's okay na wala kaming pera, ayaw daw niya ako mamatay. Sabi ko, hindi pa naman ako mamatay, yun lang, nagkasakit lang, matay agad. So ayun, so he called me and he told me to go to MedExpress. Oh well, he told me he will take me to MedExpress later, but I refused for him to do that because pagdating niya ng trabaho, puyat na siya, tapos dadalhin pa niya ako sa MedExpress. So ako na lang pupunta doon, makapag-drive pa naman ako, so I will go there and we'll check out. So MedExpress is yung place dito na pwede kang makapunta anytime. So MedExpress is the easiest way to go. Kasi meron akong primary doctor, pero kailangan magpa-schedule eh. Filipina siya, sinabihan niya ako na pag meron daw akong kailangan, tawag lang daw ako. Pero napakabait niya. Kaso lang nakakahiya naman doon sa ibang pang pasyente na maghintay sila dahil inuna ka, yung ganoon. So pupunta na lang tayo ng MedExpress. Pareho lang naman ng bayad. Tapos pagpunta mo ng MedExpress, i-check kanila agad. Maybe urine, i-check nila yun. So we'll see. Pupunta tayo doon. So we'll see you there. Right, andito na tayo. Wow, my screen is so dusty. Andito na tayo sa MedExpress. That's after 30 minutes drive. Ang weird pala nagda-drive na meron kang dinaramdam, kasi parang floating. Parang yung steering wheel, ang niya, sensitive. Parang lumulutang ako sa kalsada. So we will go there and we'll see you next. Ayan, dito tayo ngayon nakahiga because I'm tired. Nakaalis lang ng doktor. Chinek niya ako. Stethoscope. Chinek niya yung ilong ko. Baba. Yung mata. Yung mata daw. Yung tainga. Sabi niya, wala naman daw siyang nakitang anything serious. So, he asked me kung I've been around people who has flu. And I told him, yeah. So, he said he will take a flu test. So, nag-flu test sila. after 10 minutes malalaman natin yung result. Yung parang swab nilalagay sa nose. Ganun. It made me sneeze. So hintayin lang natin yung result. Baka may flu ako. Sana wala. Sana lang to. Di ko alam. So hintayin natin yung result. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ginamit nila sa pag-check ng aking nose, ears, at saka yun, mata, baba. Ay, yung baba parang pen lang ginamit niya. Pero yung ginamit niya sa aking tenga at saka ilong, ito yun. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan siya. Yan ang gamit. Tapos yan yung ilalagay nila. Doon sa tip. Kita niyo yung tip niya. Ilalagay nila yan. Tapos pagkatapos gamitin, itatapon lang. So, yeah. Dito tayo ngayon. Nakahiga ko kasi I'm tired. I wanna sleep. Hirap magkasakit. So, ayan. Hintayin natin. After 10 minutes, malalaman natin yung result. Okay? See you later. Ayan, pauwi na tayo ng bahay ngayon. Ang hirap mag-drive pag parang walang lakas. Pero kaya na naman. Pauwi na tayo at I went to Walmart to pick up my prescription. Meron tayong gamot na iinumin. So, praying na gagana itong gamot para makabalik na tayo sa trabaho. Ilang araw na hindi tayo nakapagtrabaho. Wala na tayong pambayad ng bills. Wala nang pambili ng pagkain. Okay. Clear. Let's go. So, ayan. Dumaan ako ng Walmart. Kinuha ko yung gamot. Binili ko yung gamot. At bumili din ako ng soup para makakain at makasip ng mainit na soup. Ngayon, si Trevor, nahawa siya sa akin. So, he called off. No, not today. But he called and take tomorrow off. He will be resting tomorrow, Sunday and Monday, and we'll be back to work on Tuesday. Wala naman silang, yung doktor walang nakikita na ibang nararamdaman. Yung binigay lang niya sa akin na gamot, yung prescribe niya sa akin na gamot is for the cough. So para kasi akong congested, yung feeling na napakabigat ng dito mo. So, yun yung nararamdaman ko. So, yun yung iinumin na gamot na prescribe niya. And then, I'll be back to work on Tuesday. He gave me a, doctor's letter to give to my employer. Yan. And, after that, the bills will be sent later because meron tayong insurance. So, doon merong babayaran ng insurance. Hindi natin bayaran lahat ng bills. Tutulungan tayo sa insurance. Thank God at meron tayong insurance dito. So, yun yung lamang sa atin. Pero deduction naman yun sa ating salary. So, we'll see. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para malaman nyo kung magkano yung bills natin, yung bill natin for our doctor's visit. Ang prescription natin, I spent $16 something, 16 and 25 cents. So yun yung gamot. Hindi pa natin alam yung doctor's pay and the visit at the Medical Express. Medical Express. So Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. God bless you all. Bye bye.